binong dad. Feeling ko tatawag na naman yung dad ko. Just like last year. Biglang tatawag. Ayan, huwag ka masyadong babad sa work ha. Baka tatanda daw ako na ano. Tatanda, anong tawag doon? What's the Tagalog of tigulang? Yeah, that time, dalaga. Tatandang dalaga. Sabi ko, wag naman. Wag naman pa. Pero I love myself, subaka. So it's okay. I will accept that fact. Pero, it's okay. As long as I have Ling Ling, I'm good with life. Yeah. I accept my fate, so it's okay. I love myself until the end of my life. Yeah. Alam mo, so funny guys. Kasi may time na, ayun, wedding ng kuya ko. Tapos parang iyak-iyak na ako kasi, love! Look at this celebration of love. Kasi ganun ako. Parang, ako pa yung mas, I know. I know, you saw the photos. So as in, like, I was crying, I was sobbing. Pagka, walk ng bride, yung sister-in-law ko. Ako pa yung unang mas, umiyak. Tapos yung kuya ko, hindi pa umiyak. Naunahan ko siya. Tapos ayun, after the wedding, sabi ko, nasa car na kami ng parents ko and then with everyone else. Tapos sabi ko, ma, I accept na. I love myself. I accept myself. That's it. That's enough. Sabi ko talaga. It's okay. I'm a strong, independent woman that need no man except Ling Ling. Because Ling Ling is a man now. He is, he is, tawag doon, anong boy version ng dalaga? Binata. Yeah, the only man that I need in my life is my brother, my dad, and my Ling. That's it. Everybody, everybody, everybody. Ling is the standby. Um, Marrying the wrong person. Yeah, I guess that's my biggest fear because I'm the type of person na, I don't know, I'm a hopeless romantic, guys. And yeah, like, and ayoko na like in the future because I really imagine myself like, sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, okay lang, wala akong, as in, umabot ako sa point na parang, I told my parents na, ma, pa, it's okay if wala akong partner in life, but I cannot not live without having my kids. But it's not my own kids. I'd be willing to adopt because I wanna help orphans, and in a way I can help them by adopting. Basta lang in life, I have to have my own kid, my kid. Like I cannot imagine myself not having a kid in life. Yeah. Kaya yun. That's why I'm scared na I'm gonna marry the wrong person because like especially if I marry the person and then we have kids and then yun. Na kahit gaano kalinis and gaano kaganda yung intentions mo, but if the other person does not reciprocate it, then that's sad. I mean, if you have kids, I mean, di ba, you would want to have the kid to have like complete parents. Because it's different when you grow up just having the mother figure, even if the mother is like a father na. But yeah, it's different. It's different. That's why I'm really like every Christmas, every Christmas talaga, not just every Christmas, but all the time. But especially pag Christmas Day. Kaya I don't tell my parents to give me anything. Like I tell them don't give me anything kasi as in, especially when like yung patanda ng patanda ganun. I realize na wow, I'm so blessed. Kasi it's Christmas Day. I have my parents with me, I have my brother with me, we're all celebrating together physically. There's it's a very priceless moment being able to eat dinner together, na masaya kami, and then complete kami, healthy kami. That is something that money cannot truly buy. So, ayun. Mm. Kasi ako, I mean, I'm a, not, I used to say I'm a type of person that's date to marry, but more like date to, dating with intentions. Kasi, I mean, if I stick with, date to marry, parang, for me, siguro kasi, it's prone to being blind. For me lang ha, kasi yung parang you stick so much with the, okay, I date to marry, I date to marry, I date to marry. So kahit medyo yung guy, pero no, I date to marry, I date to marry. So parang in a way, blinded ka na parang no, because I really date to marry. Kahit marami ng red flags yung guy, but no, I date to marry, I date to marry. But yeah, I date with pure intentions. Yun na lang. Kasi, of course, you'd want to end up in the end goal, which is marriage, but you don't want to sacrifice yourself and make it one-sided. If basta yun. Anyways, next question. And thank you din sa nag-send ng flower. I appreciate you. This is from my guys. This is from my jowa. Gawa naman kayo ng account. Tapos magkano kayo, no? Gawa kayo ng account. Tapos from jowa daw. Nabuang. No, it's from a bloom. Sit. Paw. Down. Paw. No, paw. Good. Roll. Roll. Paw. Up. 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 Yeah, very good. You deserve all the treats. Yay. What a smart puppy. He's so smart.